Assalamualaikum. This is Masudaha, teacher of class 3 English version. Students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Now I will take science class. Today's our topics are chapter 4, water for life. From this chapter we will learn sources of water, number 1, number 2, uses of water, number 3, safe water and unsafe water, number 4, water pollution. Now we start our first topics. We all know our earth is covered with land and water. Almost 3/4 of earth's surface is water. Our first topic, sources of water. Now we discuss sources of water. Source means where do we get from water? So we can say sources of water, these canals, rivers, lakes and the sea. Sources of water classified into two groups. Number 1, students, you follow the screen. Number 1, natural sources of water. We can give example for understand: sea, rain, river. Man-made source, example pond, well, tube well. Otherwise you can see your book's picture, page number 23. Here natural sources of water and man-made sources of water. Now we know uses of water in our daily life. Here you can see the picture: drinking water, cooking foods. Otherwise we can use water for washing clothes, we use water for taking bath, we use water for planting tree, and otherwise we also use water for agriculture and fish farming and in industries. Now we know and discuss saving water. What do you mean saving water? How can we save water? We can save water while we brush our teeth and wash our hands. Otherwise, we also learn safe water and unsafe water. Some water is safe to drink, but some water is not safe. We need safe water to drink for our daily life. Here fresh water and salty water. Fresh water means we need fresh water for drinking, cooking, taking bath. We get fresh water from ponds, rains, wells and tap. Sea water is salty. Here you can see the picture: unsafe water and safe water. This chapter we learn a new topic: arsenic contaminated water. That means how can arsenic polluted the water pollution. Some tube wells in Bangladesh contain harmful substances like arsenic. Arsenic contaminated water does not have a specific taste, odor or color. The water from tube wells marked in green is arsenic free. It is safe water for us. This water can be used for drinking or cooking. The water from tube wells marked in red is arsenic contaminated. It is not safe water. We should not use it for drinking or cooking. Here we make a table for discuss these topics. drinkable water, undrinkable water. Okay, you can try it. Our next topics, water pollution. Here we know causes of water pollution. Water pollution happens when harmful things get mixed into the water. Throwing trash, oil and harmful wastage as like our house garbage, wasted materials into water cause water pollution. Polluted water contains waste and harmful matters. Taking bath in pollution water causes skin disease along with other disease. Polluted water cause disease such as diarrhea, cholera, dysentery, typhoid of people. If people drink or bath it, polluted water is unsafe for people. Here you can see the picture how environment polluted water. First picture we see polluted water from factory picture. Second picture see here everyone washing clothes and bathing cows in water. People can help to prevent water pollution. They can pick up and clean trash. They can stop putting harmful things into water. From this chapter, we know sources of water. We learn about different sources of water, or we will know about different uses water. We'll get the ideas of using safe water and unsafe water, avoiding unsafe water. We will know reasons behind water pollution, and we'll get the ideas about how to prevent water pollution. Okay students, today's our topics ends here. If you have any question, you ask me and read more practice. Allah Hafiz. Stay safe and stay at home.